Hi, in this video we will look at the following main character. Knives are one of the oldest and most basic tools of mankind. Before the use of metal, knives were made of raw materials like rock, bone, or obsidian. Since then, many improvements were made to the knife regarding materials and manufacturing, but the basic design pretty much remains the same. If a caveman were to see a knife today, he would still know what it was and how to use it. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the shape of a small knife with a handle. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character means knife. It is used in this word, 刀子, which means knife. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. From here, let's add a character on top. The character on top means divide. It also is the character for the number 8. This character is describing the act of dividing with a knife, so it means divide. It also means minute as a division of time and point as a division of grades. Lastly, this character is pronounced fun and is the smallest denomination of Chinese currency, like a penny. It is used in this word, 分钟, which means minute. And it's used in this phrase, which means score 80 points. Let's see the next character. The character on top depicts the cutting motion of a knife, left to right, top to bottom. This character means cut. Also, meat that is cut from the same animal is identical. So this character also means correspond. It is used in these words, 一切, which means all or everything, and 亲切, which means kind or intimate. Here's another character. Now let's add a different character. The character on the left means clothes. The first thing that's done when making clothes is cutting the fabric with a knife. This character means first, like the first part of something. It is used in this word, 最初, which means first, prime, or initial. On to the next character. The character on top means mouth. People use knives to separate the main edible parts from the other inedible parts. This character means other. It is used in this word, 另外, which means other or another. Here's the last character. From here, let's add another knife. The character on the right is a variation of the main character. Because the previous character means other, the Chinese added another knife to mean different or separate. Being different or separate can be used in the negative, so this character also means don't. It is used in this word, 特别, which means special or especially. And it is used in this phrase, which means don't forget. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters, and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or a good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.